Acer continues to push the boundaries of gaming laptops with the Acer Nitro Lite 16NL1671G71UJ. A machine that delivers solid performance in a slimmer, lighter form factor. Inspired by the Nitro V15, the Nitro Lite 16 is a more portable alternative, with a larger display and unique visual touches, making it a compelling option for gamers, creators, and students alike. The Nitro Lite 16 immediately grabs attention with its clean white chassis and dynamic Nitro logo etched on the back, giving it a distinctive, modern look. Although the body is made of plastic, it feels sturdy and durable, offering users peace of mind during daily use. The laptop's hinge mechanism allows for easy one-handed opening. However, during use at steeper viewing angles, especially relevant for programmers or designers, the hinge feels slightly too loose to comfortably hold the screen's weight. This may be attributed to the relatively large and thick display panel. Despite this, the machine maintains an overall slim profile, enhancing its portability. One of the highlights of the Nitro Lite 16 is its 16-inch IPS LCD display with a 16:10 aspect ratio and Full HD resolution 1920x1200. This generous screen space is perfect for multitasking, watching content, or immersing oneself in a game. Even more impressive is the 165Hz refresh rate, which delivers ultra-smooth motion and minimizes screen tearing during fast-paced gameplay. Whether you're grinding ranked matches or watching high frame rate video, this display provides a truly immersive experience. The keyboard layout is well-spaced and provides solid tactile feedback. Key travel and response are well-balanced, making it easy to adapt to whether you're typing documents or executing in-game commands. The trackpad, however, feels somewhat small for 2025 standards. Thankfully, it compensates with fast and accurate tracking, allowing for efficient navigation even without an external mouse. One welcome addition is the physical camera shutter, offering users an extra layer of privacy. A vital feature in today's era of digital threats, connectivity is generally well-rounded. On the right side, users will find an RJ45 Ethernet port, a USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The left side houses another USB-A, an HDMI 2.1, and a USB-C Thunderbolt 4 port. The USB-C port supports 100W fast charging and 10 gigabits per second data transfer. However, since this USB-C port also serves as the primary charging port, users won't be able to utilize its high-speed data transfer capabilities while charging. An additional USB-C port would be a welcome improvement in future iterations. Powered by the Intel Core i7-13620H and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU with 6GB VRAM, the Nitro Lite 16 punches well above its weight. With 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, it offers top-tier performance in multitasking, gaming, and content creation. In the Cinebench R23 test, the laptop scored 1,802 points in single-core and 9,808 in multi-core performance. Clock speeds reach up to 4.9 GHz, showcasing Acer's optimization of this processor even with just 100W charging input. The RTX 3050 performed admirably in GPU benchmarks. In 3D Mark Time Spy, the laptop scored 4,609 points, proving it can run modern games smoothly. In creative workloads, it reached 5,086 points in Puget Bench for Photoshop and 4,347 in Premiere Pro, showing its versatility for creators and students in design fields. The SSD's read-write speeds were also notable, with 5,041 MBs read and 2,658 MBs write speeds recorded via Crystal Disk Mark. It handled 4K video write at 187 MBs, making it ideal for video editing and other demanding tasks. The Nitro Lite 16 delivers excellent frame rates in real-world gaming scenarios. League of Legends FHD, max settings 132 FPS. Valorant FHD, max settings 204 FPS. Counter-Strike 2 high settings 106 FPS. PUBG high settings 73 FPS. Black Myth Wukong low settings 61 FPS. While some heavy smoke or effects in CS2 slightly tax the GPU, the performance remains stable. These results confirm that the Nitro Lite 16 handles both competitive esports and AAA titles surprisingly well. Especially for a slim gaming laptop. Thermal performance is another strong point. Even during extended gaming sessions, the Nitro Lite 16 remains cool to the touch. Palm rest area 26.0 C. Keyboard area 36.8 C. Bottom panel 42.8 C. This is made possible by an efficient dual-fan cooling system that keeps performance stable without creating too much noise. The thermal balance makes this laptop comfortable for long hours of gaming or productivity. The device includes a 53 watt-hours battery, which may seem modest for a gaming laptop. However, due to Acer's smart hardware optimization, it can last up to 6 hours in the PC Mark 10 test, enough for a full class or work session on battery alone. The Acer Nitro Lite 16 is a standout in the slim gaming laptop segment. It combines powerful components, Intel Core i7-13620H, RTX 3050, 165Hz display, and fast SSD storage, with a compact, stylish chassis. The excellent cooling system and reasonable battery life further add to its appeal. Ideal for casual gamers, developers, students in technical fields, and creatives on a budget. This laptop strikes an impressive balance between power and portability. If you're looking for a device that plays hard and works hard, without breaking your back or the bank, the Acer Nitro Lite 16 deserves a spot on your shortlist for 2025.